that was Burlington. I got something from Marshall's, and I also went to the actual Tommy store. So we have a nice haul going on here today. What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. Off on the horizon, we have Burlington, which is a department store. If you didn't already know that, they have a Tommy Hilfiger bag that I walked away from the other day. So I'm praying that it's still there. So today, after work, grab myself a coffee, and I am manifesting that that bag is still gonna be in this store right here. So today we're gonna hang out. I'm gonna share a few things I got Tommy Hilfiger related. I'm doing a haul. I visited an actual Tommy Hilfiger store over the weekend, so I'm gonna share stuff that I found there. I'm also gonna be sharing hopefully stuff that I'm getting here. So if you're interested in this Tommy experience, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a coffee, and keep on watching. Back in the Tommy closet, and of course I did a wardrobe change. You guys, this blast from the past MTV X Tommy jean shirt, I can't get enough of it. I love the color, I love the fit. Check out the back though, are you kidding me? Insane. Also, I'm wearing these extremely destroyed jeans. Destroyed is like an understatement. These are like literally shredded, but it's cool vibe. It's very rocker, it's very urban, it's very preppy, it's very Tommy jeans, it's very me. Anyway, did I get the bag? Well, yeah, you already seen that black bag, you guys. I literally went back for it. I did a poll on my Instagram page, the House of Hilfiger. If you're not already following it, check it out. Link is down below. It's my Tommy Hilfiger appreciation page. This bag, you guys, I could not stop thinking about it. I just think there's something so minimal and luxurious about the color black when it comes to accessories, and this bag was a complete mood. So this is originally an $80 bag. So this is the actual Tommy tag right here. As you can see, 78. I got it for 22. 99. Taylor Swift, sorry girl. It's such a nice bag. The material kind of reminds me of like scuba wear, something that you would get like at a beach. And it's huge. I'm gonna be rocking this, guys, as a crossbody. It's unisex, of course. I mean, anything these days is pretty much unisex. Wear whatever the heck makes you happy. But what I'm liking about this, I'm gonna have to get the size a little adjusted, but I just really like how it's big. It's gonna fit a lot of my stuff because I don't like stuffing things in my pockets. I have a big phone. I have my eye drops, I have my hand sanitizer, I have my mask, I have my car keys, I have my personal stuff. I have things, guys. I like to bring my stuff with me so I feel grounded. I'm a Capricorn. That's how we are. So a bag is just one of those things that helps with my anxiety. And yeah, it is what it is. So this is the inside. We're gonna do a little tour ATM. Got some stuffing in there. And it's just very, very simple. Just super big. As you can see, there's the Tommy Hilfiger tag right there. One big, huge pouch. Sliving. We love it. Nothing really more to see about this. I mean, Tommy logo is right on the front. On the side, you will see it says Tommy Hilfiger in embossed letters. I love that. So that's one of the selling features for me. And we also have these zippers. Well, there's actually a little front pocket as well, which I'll probably just put like my wallet in there. But the details that are on the zippers as well. It's minimal, it's black, it's luxurious, it's monochromatic, it's very much the vibe that I'm going for. So I had to get this, guys. Could not stop thinking about it. Anywho, I actually am sharing things from, that was Burlington. I got something from Marshall's, and I also went to the actual Tommy store. So we have a nice haul going on here today. This is something that I didn't need. I really did not need. But when you see a price this low and it's Tommy Hilfiger, you don't turn it down. You just don't do that. That's a crime. That's illegal. So I got these Tommy Hilfiger slides. How much were they? You want to know the price? Brace yourself. We need a drum roll. Drum roll, please. They were $8. These are an $8 pair of slides. Now, I actually, in the beginning of summer, purchased this $40 pair of Tommy Hilfiger slides, which I'm not regretting because they're beautiful, they're unique, but $8. $8. That is insane. That is so crazy. So I definitely recommend you just stop by your local Marshalls, TJ Maxx, see if they have anything along these lines. I got lucky and they were in a size 10. Normally I'm a size 11 in slides, but hey, if they don't fit me, they'll fit Gustavo, my partner. So normally they are, I think they were like 16 bucks. They're marked down to 10 and now they're $8. So pretty cool, very simple. I'm not a fan of the white bottom because, well, it's gonna get stained easily. So who's a fan of that? But it is nice. And the good thing is they were cheap. So if I get these ruined, I'm not gonna be mad about it. So that's my Marshalls purchase, great find. And I'm definitely gonna be searching for more of those before summer's over because $8, insane. So I stopped by the Tommy store. There was no need. I was just in the area and, dropped a coin because that's just how I am. So in here, I got another bag, but I'm gonna show that last. And then I want you guys to tell me which bag you like more. So we'll do a little competition. In here, I got this beautiful Tommy Hilfiger tee. Check out this color. Oh my God. I love this. This is like this slate blue, grayish color. Honestly, this is probably one of the best Tommy Hilfiger t-shirts that I own, aside from, the capsule pieces. But I just love the color. I feel like this is gonna complement me really well. Or not. I think so, who knows, but I love it. So this was actually full price with 30% off. So this was $40 and I got it 30% off. And then with the Hilfiger Club, I got 15% off. By the way, guys, let me just say, I'm the unofficial Tommy Hilfiger ambassador of the world because I go into my local Tommy and all Tommies decked out 100, like to the 10, was that the saying, to the 10 or to the 9s? I don't know. I'm decked out in Tommy Hilfiger and I don't know whether or not the employees there are like, is he a secret shopper or they're on edge because, I get some weird interactions, some pleasant ones too. But when I was checking out, the girl was like totally in the zone, like not even like, I don't know, customer service these days, guys, is just whack. But anywho, I'm like handing her my things, showing her my phalanges right here like this, and she was not bothered. And finally she asked me if I was a part of the Hilfiger Club, and I was like, I had to crack a joke. I was like, honestly, with nails like these, do you really think that I would not be part of the Hilfiger Club? And I chuckled. I literally like laughed and I shook myself because I actually said that out loud. But I thought it was funny, but a little story time moment there for us. Continuing on, next up in here, we have an accessory, a beautiful one. And this is actually a women's, but I needed it, you guys. Check out this hat. Oh my goodness. This is women's 𝘲𝘗𝑚𝑎ce. 𝘲𝘗𝑚𝑎ce, who is she? But yeah, this is sick. I am absolutely obsessed. This is the strap on the back, so it's not like the other ones. This is still adjustable, but it is you tie it or you pull it to make it tighter. So very cool. And this says actually wicking, so it's a breathable hat. We love that, so like a sport hat. But it was $29.50. Got it with 30% off, then 15% off on top of that. So scored this hat, and I could not say no to it. And it actually looks kind of big, so I think it's gonna fit. Let's try it on. Oh, it's a little, no, it's actually kind of perfect. Let's tie it. I am gonna adjust the top right here because it is baseball tight. Oh my God. Oh, I'm loving this. I think this is really sick. I feel like this is definitely my vibe, 100%. What do you guys think? I like it. It's actually, it fits kind of perfect, not gonna lie. For a women's hat to fit me, that goes to show you that my head is quite small, but my brain's big, okay? One more piece, one more item in my bag, and then we're wrapping this up. You guys, what a day it is. It's actually kind of cold out today, so I'm wearing jeans comfortably for the first time in Pennsylvania in months. So I'm not complaining because I do not want summer to end, but it's weird, it's a little weird. So this last piece, like I said, it is a bag. So this is the bag right here. It's kind of like messenger-esque. This was 60% off with the 15% off on top of that. So I got this for like 20 some dollars. Originally, this is a $60 bag. Oh wow, so this bag is actually cheaper than the one that I got at Burlington. This is how much it retailed for. I'm liking it. I mean, it's simple. I like this blue color. This is very just, can go with anything pretty much. I like the storage though. So you have a little front pocket right here, tight. And then we have the inside, which I've not even looked in there just yet. A lot of stuffing, but I like the size of this. The price is really what turned me on. That made me like, I have to get this because I was in the market for a bag and I haven't seen any that really stood out to me. As you can see in my back shelf there, I collect a lot of Tommy Hilfiger fanny packs. I wear them as crossbodies. I've been doing that for years. So I haven't really added an addition to my collection in a while, but this one's pretty sick. I mean, the inside is definitely spacious. There's a lot of room. There is 2 little extra pockets in there, 2 cubby holes. This is the branding on the inside if you want to take a look. It's 2 tones, so you have the navy blue on the inside and then the red where the zippers are. Also, we see the Tommy logo right there. This is a sick piece. I mean, honestly, for the price, cannot go wrong. The zipper also does have the Tommy colors on it, and it's pretty sick. Let me try this on and see how it looks. I mean, I have to adjust it and do some work, but can you guys even see that? I don't know how I feel. What do you guys think? I have to do some adjusting, but I like it. It was definitely a good piece to add to the collection. I mean, it's obviously a Tommy piece. Now, if I had to choose one of these, oh my God. We have the black, we have the blue, we have the urban, we have the classic. I don't freaking know. I do know, actually. I'm gonna go with this one, you guys. It was hard to say no to this one. I probably could have turned this down if I didn't see this one in my future, but I mean, fate just happened. All right, that is a wrap. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this Tommy Hilfiger experience. I took you along to Burlington, found a cool black bag. I did a haul from 2 other stores. This is my life. This is what it comes to, guys, when you're a Tommy Hilfiger addict. So hopefully you enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, you have to give this a thumbs up, please. And also, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love your company. If you love Tommy Hilfiger, you're gonna love my channel and my Instagram page. So on here, click subscribe, click the notification bell. That's gonna notify you when I upload new videos so you can stay in touch. Also, down below in the description, the link to my Instagram is gonna be there. On my House of Hilfiger page, I basically share my collection, some runway looks, pieces that I want, some new stuff that I added to my collection, just a bunch of Tommy stuff that I appreciate and adore. Also, my personal Instagram is right here at @𝘏𝘗 if you want to follow me in there as well. But until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.